The Owen James Report is brought to you by
Lasco Cambio. Lasco Cambio from Lasco Financial Services. Everyday financial value. Need foreign currency fast and want to get the most competitive rates? The best place to go is Lasco Cambio. We even have a drive-through Cambio service, safe and convenient. And did I mention fast? Lasco Cambio is the only name you need to know. Plus you can do many other things including wire transfers, bank drafts and bill payments. The only name you need to know is Lasco Cambio. Lasco Cambio from Lasco Financial Services. Everyday financial value.
Good evening, this is the Owen James Report. The small indigenous financial company Barita Investments is still smarting from the impact of a debt exchange-induced $306 million write-off against profits, and Chairman Rita Humphreys-Lewin didn't mince words at today's 36th annual general meeting of the company.
The debt exchange, which took place in 2013, has created more disaster than good, and most of the financial houses are reeling from the effects.
Barita's net profit fell precipitously from $255 million in 2012 to $70 million last year, the year of the debt exchange. It was the company's first loss in 6 years. However, Mrs. Lewin says going forward, Barita welcomed the government's focus on collective investment schemes, and Barita will be adding new unit trust funds to its arsenal of investment options. The OJR understands that the relevant applications are with the regulators at this time. On the foreign exchange market, the benchmark American dollar strengthened by 5 cents Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $108.03. However, both the Canadian dollar and the British pound weakened against the local currency. The Canadian dollar weakened by 40 cents Jamaican, closing at $97.73, whilst the sterling declined by 76 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $180.03. In a clear indication of the continuation of the Bank of Jamaica's liquidity management strategies, one day following the governor's quarterly briefing, the central bank offered 3 instruments to the market. One is a 1-year variable rate unlimited CD which reprices half yearly at 25 basis points above the existing 6-month Treasury bills. The others are 2 US dollar certificates of deposits with tenures of 1 and 2 years. The central bank has been offering longer-term CDs to investors at market rates. However, as liquidity tightened last December, the Bank of Jamaica set up a standing liquidity facility under which deposit-taking institutions have automatic access to overnight funds by way of overnight repurchase agreements. News on the Jamaican stock market now, where falls by a slew of financial stocks, including the big 2 banks, triggered declines in the indices. The main JC index lost 201 points, or 1/5%. 29 stocks traded, with 7 advancing, 8 declining, and 14 holding firm. The winners included D&G, Mayberry, Sagicor Group, and Supreme Ventures. The losers included Access Financial Services, down 5.6%, Lasco Financial Services, NCB, Paramount Trading, Sagicor's Real Estate X Fund, and Scotia Group. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
Lasco Cambio. Lasco Cambio from Lasco Financial Services. Everyday financial value.